Since the beginning, we've changed things. It's in our genes. It's what makes us human. Now we have a chance to change everything. Let's change water so it flows forever, energy so it powers our life sustainably, and mobility so cities become playgrounds. Let's change the way we feed the world, designed to live with nature, and create factories that make the future better. Let's change learning so it's lifelong, technology so it predicts our needs, and let's help prevent more illness than we need to cure. Let's change the way we think about money, how we explore the world around us, and how experiences come to life. This is where we can change it all. Neom, made to change.